What's up, guys? So welcome back to another episode of the Artiste Analysis show right here on Orate GHT. As already know, on this particular show, we talk about the bad, the good, and the ugly of your favorite artists. And today, the artist on the table or the artist on the hot seat is Gyakie. Oh, that's not how she says it. Yeah, so Gyakie, thanks for watching. If you are new here and you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel by clicking on the subscribe button below, and also hit on the bell icon so that anytime you drop a new content, you'll be the first to be notified. Yeah, so Gyakie, do you love a song, Sato?
Hi everyone watching, my name is Barbara Hayford. Gyakie. I love Gyakie.
You love Gyakie?
Yeah.
Which of her songs do you like?
Control is my favorite.
Control. You don't like Forever?
Nah.
Never like this?
Nah.
Hey.
I like Control.
What about Control? Tell me.
I like the lyrics and I like the fact that you can dance to Control. Ooh. I go see you like say no yo.
Guys, let me tell you something. Barbara Hayford was the one who made me notice.
In fact, I even made a whole lot of people know who Gyakie was because I keep making noise about her song Control and people didn't even know before Gyakie became Gyakie. But if anything, yeah,
wow. Yeah, so I can't remember I paid her a visit one day and she was playing. I was like, what artist is now born in your son? Like Gyakie, like who is Gyakie? So after I left her place, I went home. I was following, looking more. Researching about Gyakie and all that. I was like, this girl is good. So not far from that, or just a few weeks,
I think 2019. That was 2019. Yeah.
But in 2020, she dropped her Seed EP, which had Forever and the other kind of guys. It was a hit. Like that was when a lot of people came to know more about Gyakie and all that. Yeah. So let's talk about her fashion sense, dressing.
Oh.
How do you see Gyakie's fashion sense? Is she good at it?
She's very good. I think she's very simple, like me, myself, and I. Gyakie is very simple. Gyakie is one person that I would say, if it's just a jeans and a white top, she's good to go. And a sunglasses, she's fine. So me, fashion sense, she's fine. I like it.
Yeah, so let me give you guys a little bit. I'm a blogger, it's made them a Kasabi. Yeah, so Gyakie is currently in Nigeria on a media tour, and we all know her song Forever. Massive, huge song, top Apple Music for weeks. Even was trending in the Nigerian, top 100 songs in
TikTok.
People are using it and all that. So that was, that song actually shot her into the limelight, and that particular song has gotten her feature with Omah Lay.
Yeah.
And the song actually...
And people were even saying the song is horrible, and she came to tweet that she made it for people that are going to like it. So if you feel you don't like it, please don't talk about it. And later she came back to apologize. What she did was unnecessary. She was not even supposed to even do that. Because you are still coming up and people like you and people have love for you and all that. And you coming up to say this is bad. But I'm glad she came back to apologize. So... But still, people will see her to be
some way like she's enjoying the film and she wants to.
Don't let it get into your head. Don't do baby. So she needs to be more humble, like the Gyakie we know. That's fit for unnecessary.
Anyway, that's true. But her song Gyakie featuring Omah Lay Forever. Do you like the song compared to the original? What is your take on it?
To be honest with you, I prefer the original to the one she did with Omah Lay. I'm not gonna lie, because to me the featured one was unnecessary. That's all. No hard feelings, please.
My phone is so savage, like so black.
No, yeah, I speak the truth. I don't know how to lie. I speak the truth. When you asked me about her fashion sense, I told you I loved it.
But honestly, that's your opinion. I also don't like the remix. I prefer the original to the remix. I can't remember when the song that day. I think the very minute was actually dropped.
I remember I told a friend that I don't like the song, and my friend was like, because it's new, so with time when I listen to it over,
exactly that was someone also told me.
I'm going to like it, but still,
I have played over and over
more than 20 times, sister, brother,
Okay, so that was actually what people were telling her on social media. She actually came
and I don't know why
made that tweet.
Yeah, it was unnecessary.
And all that. Let's move on. I mean, that's just the way. Her genre of music that she's doing now, Afrofusion, Afro pop, you know, that kind of vibe. Do you think it suits her? Like it's good for her? She's going to excel in that particular genre.
I think Gyakie is a versatile person. Yeah, because I remember when she started, she did something about broken hearts, and later she went back to Control, that she trying to be in charge, and later went back to Bisakade.
Yeah, Sika.
So yeah, so I think she's a versatile artist, and she shouldn't do just odo. I feel she needs to do money sometimes. She needs to talk about love sometimes. She needs to talk about hustle sometimes, because odo never friend. It's not everybody that's in love. You have no idea the more people that have been disappointed through love. So odo know us. Just be versatile.
Yeah. So guys, I mean, from her fashion sense to her genre, as the writer said, how will you rate her? Let's know in the comment section below on a scale of 1 to 10. Rate her fashion sense and also her genre. For her fashion sense, I'll rate her a 7. How about you?
I give her a 10. And
her genre of music?
I'll give her 8. Yeah.
I'll give her a 9. Okay, so let's move on to her music video. You've watched, you know, I mean, forever. You've watched like this. Control, that she has a music video for Control. I don't think so.
No, she doesn't have a music video.
But then so far, her music video that you've seen, the Sika.
I saw dance lot people doing. I think they dance to it. That's what I have on YouTube. That's what she have on YouTube.
Okay.
Yeah, so.
But then Sika, Forever, and you know, and the rest
I don't know. I think the people that mostly have good music don't have good videos. That's what I've noticed. Someone like Versatility like this, he have great songs, but his videos are always. Maybe that's how he also wants to do his thing.
Okay.
Gyakie have great songs, but his video, I don't like it. So.
You don't like her videos?
It's too simple and not so much invested in, and I don't know. I don't know.
So what do you want to see? Like what would be the advice you want to give to your management or in terms of her music video?
For the music video, maybe they'll tell you that they're due to the concept of the song. That's what they are doing. But I feel we need to see more luxury and more fashion, more beautiful things. I watched this video that was yesterday. I've forgotten the title. She did that with Visa, and it was
Sika.
Yes,
Sika.
Yeah. They shot the video just one place. Akosombo, Okoshia, Bisa in the boat, and Bisa had her.
But that video is for Bisa. Bisa featured her, so you can't blame her much. About that.
Then that's fine.
But then basically what you're trying to say is that her views are quite flat, and you know she's a new artist.
Maybe too, because she was new and she didn't have enough money, so she just wants to do something else. maybe it's too early to judge her videos. Please forgive me.
Have you seen her perform before?
Just once. The one that you said we should go.
Oh yeah, I remember.
December.
Yeah. When she launched
and later I watched it on YouTube and it wasn't bad, but
how would you rate her looking at what you saw on YouTube?
I don't give her 8. I think the people was doing everything for her.
Yeah, singing along, you know?
And she was like relaxed, and you have more to learn, baby. I love you.
They have more to learn. Oh, but she's a kid, like she's a teenager. I think 17 years or so.
Jackie's not 17.
How old is she?
Gyakie is in tech level 400, so she will be in her 20s.
Really?
Yeah.
I thought she's a teenager.
No.
So how come she was featured in Teen Vogue?
I don't know.
Guys, I stand to be corrected, but let's.
Gyakie is in tech. That's if I'm not lying. Gyakie is in tech.
But the fact that she's in tech doesn't mean she's not a teenager. I went to the university when I was a teenager.
I know, but she's in level 400, so I think she'll be in 21.
Are you sure?
Are you saying that she's in 17 years and she's in 400? 17, 14 years.
Anyway.
40 years, you are done with high school. So level 114, level 215, level 300.
She's older than that. Okay.
Do you understand?
Okay. I stand to be corrected. She's correcting me. And guys, if she's also right or if she's wrong, you can.
Gyakie is in tech.
I know she's in tech, but
I watched one interview with her and Nabiku something. She was like, she's in her final.
Oh, okay, then
I think
she
somewhere last year.
Okay.
I don't know if she's done or she's still there.
Okay, so guys, I mean, if you're not getting it right, just correct us in the comment section. Let's get interactive as soon as possible. I mean, as you already know. Yes. So for me, I've seen her perform, and I think she's good. She'll get there. And comparing her, as she's relatively new, and also
I think it's too early to judge.
Exactly, that's what I'm saying. You know, she'll get there because she's very talented. She's coming from a music family, so I'm sure they'll train her and all that. Definitely, she's gonna. And guys, you know, at her age, she's rolling with stars.
Yeah.
When she gets to that level. You could see where she's going to take Ghana music. I'm telling you, this girl has a very bright future.
She's good.
Now, Barbara, her social media presence. How do you see how she interacts with her fans? Her posting, you know, how do you see her? Is she social media savvy?
So far, so good. So far, so good. Because the last time I went to her page was yesterday, and she posted something, I think 3 days today, yeah. And people came in to comment, and she was replying to everybody. I remember sometime I even did a video and I tagged her on IG, and she came to reply, thank you. She even reposted it on her story. So she's okay. I'm just hoping that the fame wouldn't get into her head, and later she'll be like, the people are many, I don't see you, as usual.
But I think she's not to be blamed because for what Barbara is saying, or what you are saying, that you know she's very interactive with her fans. That's what you are saying. So it's like she connects with her fans. So that's that. So this is my personal submission, or what I'm actually putting myself in her shoes. Because if you are doing something for your fans and they are always responding, you're always getting positive feedback from them, and you do a remix or you do it, and people come and say, you know, they need the car, it will get to you emotionally. So I think that was what triggered that tweet, because it was like, I did that music for my fans. You don't
see, let me tell you something, even selling, when it comes to selling, people come to you because they didn't get something to buy. They come in to insult you. I remember some time ago, 3 ladies took me on Twitter to write a whole lot about me and my business, insulted. I didn't react, I didn't say it. I rather went there to tell them I'm sorry, and it ends there. So sometimes people pushes you to see the other side of you, but you don't have to fall for it.
Okay.
So it was unnecessary.
All right.
Because Ankaya, the Papa Noya, I don't think she even come back later on to say sorry.
Okay.
I don't know if later she deleted, and even the Twitter she even deleted. People had it.
People had it.
And they were even using it against her. And that day, her followers came down.
Wow. Wow. Her followers came down. It was very serious.
Because people were really offended. Gyakie, you've done something we are not happy about. You've done something we are not enjoying it. We are just saying, well, the bash Sako, the bash Stone Boy, but they're not more nothing. They don't say, that tweet was unnecessary.
All right. Wow. Anyway. But then the long and short is that she's very active on social media. So if you are thinking of following Gyakie, you can follow her on social media. And you know, if you have a song, if you have something, if you don't have ground to promote, she's definitely gonna post it. And you know, get interactive with you as well. Now let's finalize everything by looking at her brand, because all that we've talked about is embedded in her brand. The Gyakie brand. Do you think it's going to stand the test of time?
No.
Do you see her being a global icon? Do you see her getting a lot of ambassadorial deals and all that?
She'll go far. All I need from her is she should just be humble. That's all.
Okay.
I want her to be more humble. More humble, like Ifia.
More humble.
I don't even notice Ifia. Ifia has really come a long way, but she's still there. Obiaba no, but Ifia is still there. So I want her to learn from Ifia.
Okay, so I mean, word out there, or word from
but she'll go far. She have a future, bright future. She will go far. For me personally, I love her. Yeah.
For me, I'm also saying that Gyakie is the next big thing to happen to Ghana's music.
The girls are relaxed. The truth of the matter, the girls are relaxed, and ever since Ebony died, nobody has really given us this hit.
Exactly.
And so far, she's the one giving us the hit now.
Exactly.
So
I mean, Miss V is also doing well, but I mean, she's still struggling in some way somehow. But Gyakie, out of nowhere, out of the boom, you know, she's actually, putting Ghana on the map. And
one thing I've realized about Ghanaians is when we give you the opportunity and you blow it up, that's all. That's one thing I've noticed about Ghanaians.
Okay.
Miss V had it, and I don't know.
Depression took that thing away from her.
Was she depressed?
Yeah, she was depressed. That's what she said. She went off and she came.
Oh, then that's fine. Then I can't.
Yeah, she was depressed. She was depressed, and all that. She had, labor issues and all that. I mean, it's women. I don't know, but our industry, when it comes to
women, complicated.
Exactly, that's the word I wanted to use. Okay, so if you're a fan of Gyakie and you love, our breakdown, analysis and all that, or you disagree with us or agree with us, let's hear from you in the comment section below. If you love this video, you know what to do. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up, and also don't forget to share with your friends. Barbara, your social media handle so people can connect with you.
Barbara Hayford on IG, Barbara Hayford on Snap, Barbara Hayford on TikTok, everywhere Barbara Hayford.
Yeah, so you know, without a J, as usual, follow me on all social media platforms. Let's get interactive in there. Now, if you have any artists you want us to talk about or analyze in our next episode, drop it in the comment section below. And we'll do that until we come with another exciting episode of the analysis or artist analysis on Odate J TV. It's bye for now.
We love you.